Hi guys. I'm Francis and Eliza. I'm so sleepy because I'm going to wake up early tomorrow. So I'm with my sister Samantha. Just say hi. Hi. No, she's so shy. So I'm in my bed. My electric fan is with timer. My teacher said I have an English month tomorrow.
Oh, look at that. The
Hey.
worms.
Shadows. No, keep the light. So tomorrow I'm gonna see my video with my sister. Yes. I have an aircon. So guys, I'm gonna say I have a good news. My sister and I am gonna be your toys tomorrow. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. Today I'm gonna worship. Tomorrow I'm gonna see some toys. Hey, Samantha's teeth is so crazy. Look.
Oh no!
It's so crazy, guys. So, guys, subscribe to my videos and like it. Oh my God, my neck is so.
That's a worms?
That's a timer. Start now. So, guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Bye, joke. This is not a joke. Guys, I need to tell you, I have a show. This new show. I'm gonna make some show tomorrow or after tomorrow later. So guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.